ever had a big exam and right before it starts, your stomach just hurt? Or maybe you felt so nervous that you completely lose your appetite? Or on a less stressful note, have you ever eaten too much junk food over the weekend and suddenly on Monday you feel tired, cranky, and just not yourself? Well, what if I told you that these things aren't just in your head? That your stomach or your gut might actually be controlling your mind, your focus, and your mental health. Sounds weird, right? But science has been proving this connection more and more. And today, I want to tell you just how powerful the gut-brain connection really is. So, how does this work? How can something happening in your stomach just affect your brain? It all comes down to something called the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system between your digestive system and your brain. And the biggest phone line between them, it's called the vagus nerve. Think of it as a superhighway sending message between your gut and your brain. When you eat, digest, and absorb food, your gut bacteria help process it. And in doing so, they send signals through the vagus nerve to your brain. And here's something even crazier. Your gut doesn't just send signals. It actually produces neurotransmitters, the chemicals that control your endorphins. In fact, about 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is made in your gut, not in your brain, but it's in your gut. So, if your gut bacteria are healthy, they produce serotonin, which helps regulate your mood, makes you feel happier, and even helps with focus. But if your gut is out of balance, it can lead to stress, anxiety, or even depression. Now, here's where the things get concerning. When we eat too much processed food, sugar, or take too many antibiotics, we mess up the balance of bacteria in our gut. This imbalance is called dysbiosis, and it can disrupt the gut-brain connection. Studies have shown that people with an unhealthy gut are more likely to suffer from anxiety, depression, and even neurological disease like Alzheimer. And let's look at Indonesia. Our country has a rich tradition of eating fiber-rich fermented foods like tempe, which naturally support gut health. But now, with more fast food and sugary drinks everywhere, our gut microbiomes are changing, and so are our mental health statistics. Could there be a link? Scientists think so. But the good news is we have control over this. A healthy gut means a healthier mind. And we can start improving this connection right now. There are a few steps that we can do. Here's how. Number 1, eat more fiber-rich foods. For example, like vegetables, fruit, and whole grains feed the good bacteria in your gut. Number 2, eat fermented foods. For example, like tempeh, yogurt, or kimchi from Korea contain probiotics that helps balance gut bacteria. Number 3, cut down on processed sugar. Too much sugar feeds the bad bacteria, throwing off the balance. And number 4, manage stress. Meditation, deep breathing, and exercise have been powered to reduce gut inflammation and improve gut health. So, the next time you feel stressed, anxious, or just off, think about your gut. Maybe it's not just in your head, maybe it's in your stomach too. Our gut bacteria are constantly talking to our brain, shaping our emotions, influencing our health. And by making small changes to what we eat and how we live, we can take back control of this powerful connection. Because sometimes a key to be happy is actually a healthy gut. Thank you.